What's up, Brewing peeps? Brewing Daddy here, and we've got a little bit of free time in the middle of brewing a batch, and just wanted to talk a little bit about a topic that you don't see discussed a whole lot in regards to home brewing, and that is in regards to the laws that govern you consuming and making your own beer, wine, and whatnot at home. So, in my state of North Carolina, it is allowed. You are allowed to make it for your own consumption, your family's consumption, your guests, folks that you're entertaining and whatnot. You're not allowed to sell it, and there is limits on how much you can make a year. Each state is a little different, so you want to make sure that you're aware of what the laws are. You are allowed to transport it if you're taking it to like a competition or a beer making club or something of that sort. You have to check each state's laws if you're going around across state lines. So one thing that you got to keep in mind, like for example in my state, is a limit on the amount of alcohol that can be inside of your beer or wine. And in North Carolina, it's a maximum of 15%. You can't have any more than 50% alcohol by volume. Also, another thing to keep in mind is what is defined in that area. And what is defined is beer, lager, malt liquor, ale, porter, any of those, anything brewed or fermented, wine, any type of wines. So just keep that in mind. Once you get above 15%, then you're starting to get into the liquor range, and there's a whole nother set of laws involving that. So just keep that in mind. There is a really good resource for looking up your own state laws, and that's the homebrewersssociation.org website. I'm not affiliated with them, but they do have a really great website talking about the laws of each state. So I'd recommend you get familiar. You don't want to get in any kind of trouble. You want to make sure you're doing everything on the up and up. And because it's involving the making of alcohol, you have to be careful there. But as long as you follow your state's guidelines, you'll be fine. But check out homebrewersassociation.org. I'll put a link in the description of this video for you, and see what your individual state requires. All right, brewing peeps. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back with some more content soon. Make sure you check out brewingdaddy.com. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got TikTok, we got Twitter, we got Facebook, we got all of them. So check those out. Links are in the description. And while you're at it, make sure you check out morebeer.com, our sponsor. They got some great products. We'll be brewing some of them really soon. Take care and peace out.